Yemen has been declared as the largest humanitarian crisis ever. Those of us who can are obligated to help. This is an appeal to you. The crisis in Yemen started in 2011 due to national and international conflict. I won't get into the details of how this conflict started because what matters is that people are suffering and they need our help. Here are some facts about what has been going on. In 2016, a famine started and it's been going on to this day. By the end of 2019, more than 100,000 Yemenis had been killed. More than 60% of these have been due to bombings. The population of Yemen is 29.8 million people, and 80% of these people are in need of humanitarian assistance. UNICEF estimates that 2 million children under the age of 5 suffer from malnutrition and require treatment. Every 10 minutes in Yemen, a child under the age of 5 dies from causes that could be prevented if they were given basic necessities. This means at least 144 children die every day in Yemen. Half of all health facilities are either damaged or unable to function anymore. The famine there is so bad now that many families are forced to eat boiled leaves every day to survive. 18 million Yemenis don't have access to safe drinking water. Take a look at these villagers who are running towards a water tanker as they don't know when they're next going to have access to safe drinking water. Not only is Yemen suffering from the COVID-19 pandemic, but they're also undergoing a cholera outbreak.
سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء.
Amongst us as a community, we can easily make up this funding gap. I urge you to read more about this issue and share this with others, and contribute as much as you can towards this cause. Links of organizations you can donate to are in the description. Let's act together, let's help Yemen.
فإني علمت بأنك نجوى ولبس